Vertex Pharmaceuticals is a top biotech company. Its main area is cystic fibrosis, a rare disease that harms the lungs and shortens life. Vertex's drugs are special because they treat the root cause of cystic fibrosis. These medicines are needed. Because of this, Vertex can set high prices for its drugs, and the only ones really successful in this area. Over the past 10 years, Vertex Pharmaceuticals has done very well, and it keeps doing very well. Vertex has now made a big step forward with another pioneering product, Casgevy. This new gene editing treatment is approved in the US for sickle cell disease and in the UK for sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia. These are rare blood disorders, which gives Vertex both demand and pricing power. Casgevy is made in collaboration with CRISPR Therapeutics. In the US, one such therapy costs $2.2 million. This is a normal price for gene editing drugs. Vertex is now competing with Bluebird Bio, which has a similar medicine for $3.1 million US. Vertex stands out not just because of its prices. It also has strong financials and is good at dealing with payment issues in healthcare. Casgevy's first target is 32,000 patients. Vertex and CRISPR Therapeutics plan to treat more people in the future, perhaps over 100,000 patients. With a price of $2.2 million US per therapy, the potential is big. In our latest analysis of top hedge fund stock moves since Q3 2023, we found that the healthcare sector has become a popular choice for its defensive qualities. Moreover, considering the rise of AI and its potential applications, healthcare stands out as a primary field for future implementation. We'll leave a link to the video in the description. Be sure to check it out. Vertex Pharmaceuticals' stock price presents an interesting case. According to the share price versus fair value information, it seems the current stock price might be selling for less than it's actually worth. The company's actual value is estimated to be higher, suggesting that the stock could be undervalued. This could be a good sign for investors. Moving on to analyst price targets, we see that financial experts think the stock's price might drop slightly over the next year. However, given Vertex's strong track record in producing effective medicines, there's a chance that these projections might not capture the full picture. The company's success in delivering needed drugs could drive the stock's value higher than the analysts expect. If you're interested in investing in commodities, stocks, crypto, indices, or bonds, you should definitely try Dukascopy. You can invest with just one click, starting from $1 US. Sounds good, right? Simply scan this QR code or check the link in the description below to get started. Fill out the form and then make a video call with a Dukascopy operator. That's all you need to do to open your Dukascopy bank account. Your Swiss bank account with Dukascopy will be ready to use the same day. When we look at price to earnings ratio versus peers, Vertex's stock appears more expensive in comparison to other companies in the same industry. But this high price might be justified. Vertex has been successful in its field, especially with its groundbreaking medicines, which could warrant a higher stock price. The key valuation metrics section tells us that Vertex is profitable, which is always a positive sign for a company. Investors often look at the price-earnings ratio to decide if a stock is reasonably priced. And in Vertex's case, it could be seen as a sign of financial health and future potential. Finally, the future growth section suggests that Vertex is expected to increase its earnings and revenue significantly. This is especially promising because it implies that the company could continue to prosper, thanks to its strong portfolio of necessary medications. In conclusion, while analyst price targets provide a benchmark, Vertex's commitment to developing essential medicines could mean that its stock has the potential to perform better than these predictions suggest. Now let's explore what financial experts predict for Vertex Pharmaceuticals and its main competitors' stocks. However, remember that all investments carry risks, and it's your responsibility to make informed decisions. That's all the time we have today on the Investment Brainstorm. I'm your host, Matthew Stevenson. in partnership with Dukascopy TV. Remember, money can take care of you. It cannot take care of itself.